In this video, I'll show you how to burn in subtitles to videos online using Sonix. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a video with me right here that I'm going to work with this one, that I'd like to burn in subtitles to. Now, this is a Sonix.ai website and you can use the link in the description below to sign up. I'll click on sign in because I have an account. And once I sign in, this is the dashboard that I land on, and you can see the files that I've worked on in the recent past and all that. Now, I'm going to click on upload because I want to upload a file. So I'll select on single track right here because I want to use Sonix to automatically transcribe, and then drag and drop my file right there. It's uploading, and you can see it's uploaded right there. And then it's auto detected and speaker labels, and then because my video is in English, I'll leave it as it is, and then I'll click on transcribe in English. So it's transcribing. It's not a really long file, but I'll just let it transcribe for us. And with Sonix.ai, you can even import a transcript and work with it. That is, you have a transcript that is ready and your video, you can use Sonix to automatically sync your text or transcript to the video and generate SRT subtitles, which makes life a little bit easier, especially when it comes to the syncing part of it. Now it's preparing, and I can actually just click on it to open. We see what's going on in the background. Spell binding, transcript creation, and all the hocus pocus here is hard at work, casting spells of accuracy on your file to create transcript like no other. We appreciate your patience and will notify you by email when the magic is complete. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So you can return home, upload another file, depend on what you're working on right here. Now, this is what you get: transcript quality, very minimal edits required. Their confidence level with 479 words is very confident, fairly confident. 7 words, slightly confident, 0. So I'll close this, and you can see what everything looks like right here. Now you can make your edits. Just come in here, and you can see a couple of options here to do all the things that you need to do right here. So just double click on it to do a couple of options. Move back. If you want to make an edit, just click and then do your edit the way you want it. But for example, here I can just change this is E, and because it seems it's everywhere, I can click on find and replace, and Starling should be Starling right there. Replace all, and all those words that we're having the A, this one is I, Starling PDF. Yes, it should be Starling PDF. Yes. So it's good that we can actually do that right there. Do that and then click on subtitles and then click on show timeline because it's something we want to do. We want to break up our text or transcript here into subtitles, and I'll click on the split transcript and then go target subtitle lines, 2 lines, and then maximum characters 37, and then the time duration per subtitle I'll set it at 7 seconds. Then click on split into subtitles, and it's going to be split right there. Looks good. Now it's time for us to burn in our subtitles to video. I'll click on subtitles here, click on burn in. You can also click on export, select the drop down, and then you come to subtitles, burn in videos, and no burn-in videos have been created. Download and all that. Step 1, split your video into subtitles, customize your subtitles, burn subtitles. So come here, burn in, and you can see Sonix will hardcode subtitles directly into the video. This ensures the video looks the same no matter how it's played. And you can see you have 11 hours. If you burn in videos, we will deduct 2 minutes 40 seconds. I'll just click on create burned in video, and it's going to start processing our video, and please, this may take a while. depending on the length of your video, this could be a while, and once it's done, if we actually play this.
In this video, I'll show you how to quickly flatten a PDF and make it non-editable using Styling PDF. Welcome to this.
I think it looks good. I'll click on download. I have to download the video. There we go. It's done downloading. I'll click on it to play in VLC.
In this video, I'll show you how to quickly flatten a PDF and make it non-editable using Styling PDF. Welcome to this video.
So it looks good to me, and that is how you can burn in subtitles to your videos online using Sonix.ai. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.